And Bree, it's going to be a busy afternoon. Now this morning we are seeing some low level moisture in the form of some fog and low clouds up towards the Ute Pass and Palmer Divide, but most of us stayed dry through about the lunch hour, much like yesterday. After that, we are ramping up the severe and flood threats. Not going to be a widespread severe day, but some of these storms, the stronger ones that meet severe criteria, could produce wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and hail larger than an inch in diameter. $half sized hail will be possible in the eastern plains, as well as locally heavy rainfall from our foothills down into the eastern plains of Colorado. And here's the latest severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. This based out of Norman, Oklahoma. And this is the first time this season I've seen that slight risk painted here in southern Colorado, just barely eclipsing part of Baca County. That's where we could see some of those larger hailstones over an inch in diameter. But most of the rest of the coverage area included in that marginal risk, much like what we saw yesterday. Now, yesterday we didn't see any severe thunderstorms in the area, no warned storms. That could be different today, as we are seeing a little better instability in the models this afternoon and much more moisture with some higher dew points here locally. Current temperatures this morning in the 40s in Monument and the Springs. Low 50s in Canyon and Pueblo, 49 for La Junta, 34 in Woodland Park. Cold front now pushing south of Pueblo, moving into the eastern plains. That's going to create some more low-level moisture as we get an increase in that water vapor as we make our way into the late morning and early afternoon hours. So if you're itching to get outside and play some golf, maybe a quick 9 this morning, that might be all you can squeeze in, because just after the lunch hour we get rain and thunderstorms that are likely, lots of lightning, so you do not want to be out on the golf course whenever you have those thunderstorms rolling through. Let's show you the timing of these storms here on Futurecast. I'd say between about 1 and 3, the original round of storms develops, probably along the Palmer Divide down towards the Raton Mesa, and then everything becomes a little more widespread as we get some good outflow from those storms, and that'll cause more storms to sort of pop up across the region. So several rounds of rain through this evening, much like what we saw yesterday. Could see some additional overnight showers in the mountains as well as the southeastern plains. Then on Thursday, not expecting a whole lot of additional activity. Model much drier, but still a slight chance of a shower or storm as we head throughout the afternoon tomorrow. As for the allergy report today, medium concentrations of tree pollen. Everything else on the low side of range. And highs today are going to be down about 10 to 15 degrees, so cooler and much more unsettled than what we saw back on Monday and Tuesday. We're going 2 out of 5 on the impact scale because of the widespread showers and storms. I think severe threats are fairly low in the Pikes Peak region, but wouldn't be surprised if maybe we saw 1 or 2 storms turn severe here in El Paso County. Then a change in the weather pattern as we head towards the weekend. Look at Sunday, 80 degrees. Breezy with those gusts up around 20 to maybe 30 miles per hour. For Pueblo, a couple of action-packed days Wednesday to Thursday before the warmth really settles in for a dry upcoming weekend. Canyon City, rain and storms today with a spotty shower tomorrow. Lower 80s from Friday into Sunday. And for Woodland Park, rain and storms today with a few showers possible Thursday. 70s staging a comeback just in time for the weekend.